Hey y'all, welcome once again to our channel. Today we have another good one, turkey bacon mac and cheese. I hope everyone is having a good day and you are staying safe and to get out of this heat that we're having. So let's get into the video. So there you see I have about a quarter stick of butter, and I'm using onion, bell pepper, and a clove of garlic that I've chopped, and we're gonna just saute this in the butter. You can use unsalted butter since we're gonna be adding the turkey bacon and the cheeses that are very salty. There you see I'm adding some salt to bring out the flavor somewhat of our onion, and then we're gonna be adding our powdered seasoning. You see we have ground cumin. We're gonna be using some smoked paprika, some black pepper, and you just add whatever seasoning you like to have in your meal. I'm just adding to give my mac and cheese some flavor, so this is always your preference. So there I've added some onion powder and some garlic powder as well. And then I'm going to be adding some all-purpose seasoning to it as well, and then we're going to just combine and get those flavors going. So then we're going to be adding some heavy cream to that, and then to give it another good flavor we added some evaporated milk. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. Share with your family and friends, and leave a comment in the comment section so we know where you're watching from. So there I have my cream cheese that I've added to the mix, and be sure you preheat your oven at this time to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So by the time we're through, your oven will be ready to put your mac and cheese in. So there I'm just whisking the cream cheese in, and then I'm going to be adding in my different cheeses. You can use what you like. I've added parmesan, Asiago, mozzarella, and smoked scorpion pepper, gouda. And then we're just gonna combine those together. So make sure it's as smooth as you possibly can get it, and you want to be doing this on a medium flame because you don't want to burn the cheese or the milk that you've added in this mixture, cream cheese mixture. So there I've added my boiled shell macaroni to the mix. You can add whatever macaroni you would like or whatever pasta you would like at this time. Then you're going to make sure that cheese sauce is all covered with the macaroni. Every last one of it you would like to do so, and you just continue to combine it until it's all covered. See how creamy it looks there, and those red bell peppers are just coming through as well. And you're gonna love the flavor. The smell is in here is divine. And then I've added about 3 pieces of turkey bacon that I just fried in my skillet until it's crispy, and then I broke it into several pieces, and I've combined it to make sure all my cheese sauce again is covering my turkey bacon. And so then I have a little round dish that I'm gonna pour this mixture in, because my family is not large, so this is just ideal for us, and my son loves it so much. So it's good if you have a teenager, so you can at least double up here what we've made and make a nice macaroni and cheese with turkey bacon or just regular pork bacon. So there I've sprinkled some smoked paprika on top, and then I just shake it to make sure everything is sitting well in my round baking tin that I have greased. I forgot to mention that, with just some oil spray. You can add it or not, because since the cheeses are already filled with oil, it's not a must. And then I just top it off with all the cheeses that I mentioned before, which is the smoked Asiago, scorpion pepper, gouda, parmesan, and the mozzarella. And then I put it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. I tested it with my toothpick. I forgot to capture that. And then there is the finished product. Once it comes out clean, then you're ready to serve. And so I have made a slice so you can see here what it looks like, and then I served it up on my plate here, and this plate is loaded. You can find my recipe below. Thank you.